So my baby is reading her dance paper for tryouts, and it asks about a shot. And she said, what kind of shot is it?
A tetanus. a tetanus shot.
What do we say?
A tetanus shot.
What is it? What's the definition? Since you look it up.
It said, where is it? Go back up. It says a tetanus vaccine, also known as a tetanus toxoid, is a toxoid vaccine to prevent tetanus during childhood. Tetanus.
You sounded that word out.
Yes.
Sound it out again.
Tetanus. Tetanus.
Me. That word don't sound out like that.
Tell you what kind of shot that is.
A technical shot.
A what?
A technical.
A tetanus.
A technical.
A tetanus.
I don't even know how she's spelling the word for her.
A tetanus. T-E.
T.
Tan.
T and T-E-A.
T-E. T. Tetanus. Tetanus.
Can we see the word on your phone?
Tetanus vaccine.
We just go ahead and get the COVID vaccine shot, because that technical shot.
Man,
Is it tinnitus?
what shot take?
No.
The COVID vaccine.
No.
Nah, what kind of shot you just called them?
I forgot already.
No, I don't want this.
Technical shot.
What is a diphtheria?
What?
What is
Big,
it?
big word people coming up with.
So if you go over here and you cut your hand, or you get cut by a piece of milk, what kind of shot they gonna ask you how you had when you go to the hospital?
A metal shot. Cause I remember I cut my leg, see,
I don't know.
with the hanger. But y'all didn't know technique.
So they ain't never asked us your tetanus shot up to date.
What is a technique?
I don't even know if I
Technique.
got a technical shot, bro.
I don't hear the us in it. The U.S. The technics. The technics. What a tan. Us. The 10 U.S. The 10 U.S. The doctor's gonna ask me, have you got your
It's a tetanus shot.
Technical shot.
Technical.
Why Big Mama said technical then?
She don't know the